So I have seen one of the craziest offers I have ever seen, and I'm going to make it an even crazier offer because I'm going to make this such a no-brainer that you're going to be saying, Eric, what's the catch? And the only catch is that I have limited spots available for this. I'm going to tell you all about it coming up right up in my review of Triple Traffic. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can put on successfully.
Wait, hat or no hat? Hat or no hat? Hat.
Hey, you know what? I like the hat. So yeah, yes to the hat. Definitely yes to the hat. I think people should start wearing them again. I really like them. Anyhow, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and make money online niche. And why would this such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. It's make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude, you know what? I'm getting kind of tired of hearing about how much you like crap because most people don't. I don't. These people don't. So keep your crap to yourself, okay? Seriously. If you are new to the channel, what I do here is the way things work here. If I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
You know, this is the second time today you've said that. I appreciate it. But you know what? Right now, I'm not a fellow New Yorker. I will be again next week for a couple of weeks. But you know what? It's enough. Okay, seriously, it's enough. If you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. If frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Triple Traffic. Now, this is very, very simple, actually. Basically, what you're going to do with Triple Traffic is you're going to send traffic to a squeeze page, a sign-up page, where people can get onto your email list. It's actually very, very simple. Now, basically, there are three different sources of traffic that you can have available through Triple Traffic. I've tried them, they work, okay? And two of them, by the way, actually, one of them is like, I think currently $20, the other one was like $15. And then there's a third newer version. You're gonna get all three of them for 12 bucks. But of course, because this is me, I want to give you an extra special bonus. And I'm doing something that I haven't done in a long time because it does require a lot of my time. So basically what I'm doing for you is I'm gonna give you your own custom-made bonus. What does that mean exactly? So everybody else, they're going to give you something with PLR where you're going to have the same thing as 50 other people are going to have, 100 other people are going to have, 200 other people are going to have. Okay, they're going to give you something that you don't even have PLR. That all you're doing is getting something where you have the right to, watch a video or use software or whatever. It's nothing that you can use for your own business. Okay, what I'm going to give you is your own custom-made product. Now, why is this a big deal? Well, two reasons. Number one, because of that, obviously, it is your own product that nobody else will have. So you tell me what you want it to be on. I'm going to make a video course just for you. Nobody else will have it. It's going to be exclusively your product that you alone will be able to use and have. Nobody else has it. I did this once before. It was super popular. And we sold out within like 2 days, I think, all the spots that we had available. So I'm doing it again. I'm going to put up 35 spots for this thing that you can purchase, and for $12, you get me to make something custom for you. Now, why is that a big deal? Besides the fact that it is a custom product, it's also made by somebody who is well known in the industry. I've done about 15 launches. I am a six-figure marketer. I'm a top affiliate as well as a top vendor on Warrior Plus. Okay, I am extremely well known, not to toot my own horn, but I am. People know who I am. People know and like me. And so when you can say that you have a product that you had custom made for you by Eric Hammer, by the man in the hat, that's a really, really big deal. When you get it for 12 bucks, that's just utterly insane. But I want to make sure this is a true no-brainer for you. So I'm also going to give you my own custom squeeze page that you can go ahead and use. It's software that you can plug into WordPress in order to use to make a custom squeeze page. So you can actually collect all the emails that people are going to send out and just redirect them to the course that I'm going to create for you that you can sell. Plus, I'm also going to be offering you your own custom-made intro. If you've seen my videos, my older videos had Eric Hammer, the new ones had Man in the Hat. You've seen those things. I'm going to give you your own custom-made version of that as well, all for your lousy $12, because I really want you to succeed with this thing. Now, if you pick up any upgrade, then you are able to get two. Now, in order to get that deal, in order to get two courses, you cannot pick up one of those $5 upgrades. It has to be something that costs at least $20. Okay, I'm not doing this just, when you do a $5 upgrade. It's got to be something that's a little bit more pricey, so at least $20. If you pick up any combination of upgrades, whatever it is, valued at least $300, so it's $300 worth of upgrades, then you can get 3 full-fledged courses. Okay, plus on top of those three courses that I'm going to make for you, you also are going to have the right to have me create a custom video sales letters for you. So you can actually have your own video sales letter, which I usually charge $200 a piece for those. So spend $300 at least, you're going to get all those things as well. So let me go ahead and show you the members area real quick. There's not much to see, to be perfectly honest, because it's basically you go here, click main training session, and you click submit URLs. And that's basically, you just send your URL. You have to send your receipt so that they have proof that you actually purchased the thing. So it doesn't really matter that you see that you send to contact lead targets group, because if you don't have a receipt, and then it doesn't do you any good. So you do have to get it through that. That's pretty much it. There's not a whole lot to do here, except submit the URL that you would like to send your traffic to. It takes all of 60 seconds. And again, to recap, you're going to get a custom-made product from me, a custom-made course from me. Pick up any 2 upgrades worth at least $20. You get 2 of them, or you can get a double-length course, whatever you prefer. Pick up any combination of upgrades valued at least $300, and you're going to get 3 or a triple-length course. Plus, and you can also do an interview if you prefer to do an interview with me. That's fine. Plus, I'm going to, in addition to a custom, giving you my squeeze page, and I'm also going to be giving you my my whatchamacallit. I'm also going to be giving you a custom-made intro video, for your logo, a logo reveal they call them. In addition to all that, you're also getting a custom-made video sales letter from me. That again, I usually charge $200 a piece for those. So you're going to get all those things included in this package when you spend at least $300 on upgrades, any combination of upgrades for triple traffic. So let's see if I'm going to give it to him as the product creator or not.
I tip my hat to you.
Yeah, seriously, use tip of the hat. I like this thing. It's super simple. Basically, all you do is send in your URL, and the traffic is going to be set up for you automatically. Easiest thing you could possibly imagine. Grab this one, you're going to love it.